She smiled at work. She laughed with friends. She posted happy pictures. And one night, she sat alone in her room, wondering if anyone would notice if she just disappeared. This is not a movie scene. This is real life. This is happening right now to someone you know, someone you love, maybe even someone watching this video. And the scariest part, nobody talks about it. Hey, welcome to FitFlow Factory. Today, we are not talking about workouts or diets. Today, we are talking about something that affects every single one of us, but most of us are too afraid to admit. Mental health. Before we go any further, if you have ever felt stressed, anxious, or just not okay, hit that like button right now. And if you are new here, subscribe to FitFlow Factory because we talk about real stuff that actually matters. Trust me, you do not want to miss what comes next. Let me tell you about a guy named Marcus. Marcus was 28 years old, had a good job, a nice apartment, and everyone thought he had it all figured out. But every morning, Marcus woke up with a weight on his chest. Not a physical weight, but something heavier. He felt exhausted before the day even started. He felt like he was pretending to be okay, wearing a mask every single day. But Marcus never told anyone. Why? Because society told him that real men do not talk about feelings. Real men push through. Real men stay strong. So Marcus stayed silent, and that silence almost cost him everything. Here is the truth that nobody wants to admit. We live in a world that puts insane pressure on us. You have to be successful. You have to be happy. You have to have the perfect relationship, the perfect body, the perfect life. And if you are struggling, well, just try harder. Just think positive. Just be grateful. These words sound helpful, but they actually make things worse. They make people feel like their pain is not valid. They make people feel alone. The stigma around mental health is real, and it is dangerous. When someone breaks their arm, we rush them to the hospital. We sign their cast. We bring them flowers. But when someone is breaking inside, we tell them to toughen up. We tell them it is all in their head. We look the other way. And that is why millions of people suffer in silence every single day. Let me share something with you. According to research, nearly 1 in 5 adults in America experiences mental illness each year. That is over 50 million people. 50 million. And most of them do not get help because they are afraid. Afraid of being judged. Afraid of being seen as weak. Afraid of losing their jobs, their friends, their reputation. This fear is not just in their heads. It is built into our society. Think about it. When a celebrity talks about depression, what happens? Some people show support, but others say they are just looking for attention. When an athlete takes a break from mental health, some people call them soft. When a coworker admits they are struggling, people start whispering behind their back. This is the stigma, and it is killing people. Not just figuratively, literally. But here's what I want you to understand. Struggling with mental health does not make you weak. It makes you human. Feeling stressed does not mean you are failing at life. It means you are dealing with real challenges. Asking for help is not a sign of defeat. It is the bravest thing you can do. I want to tell you what happened to Marcus. After months of suffering alone, Marcus finally broke down. He called his sister in the middle of the night, crying, barely able to speak. And you know what she said. She said, "Thank you for telling me. I am here." Those simple words changed everything. Marcus started seeing a therapist. He learned that what he was feeling had a name. It was anxiety and depression. He learned that he was not broken. He was just dealing with something that millions of others deal with too. Today, Marcus is doing better. Not perfect, but better. And he wants everyone to know that reaching out saved his life. This is why mental health awareness matters. This is why we need to keep having these conversations, not just in May during Mental Health Awareness Month, but every single day. We need to create a world where people feel safe to say, "I am not okay." We need to be the kind of friends, family members, and co-workers who listen without judgment. So what can you do right now? First, check on your people. Send a text to someone you have not heard from in a while. A simple message like, "Hey, just thinking about you," can mean more than you know. Second, if you are struggling, please reach out to someone. A friend, a family member, a therapist, a hotline. You do not have to carry this weight alone. Third, educate yourself. Learn about mental health so you can recognize the signs in yourself and others. Knowledge is power. And here is something important. Taking care of your mental health is not selfish. It is necessary. Just like you take care of your body, you need to take care of your mind. That means setting boundaries. That means saying no when you need to. That means taking breaks without feeling guilty. That means being kind to yourself, even when you feel like you do not deserve it. At FitFlow Factory, we believe that true wellness is not just about physical fitness. It is about mental fitness too. You can have the strongest body in the world, but if your mind is struggling, you will never feel truly healthy. That is why we are committed to talking about these topics, even when they are uncomfortable, because uncomfortable conversations save lives. Now, I need your help. This message needs to reach more people. So if this video spoke to you, if it made you think, if it made you feel something, please share it. Share it on your social media. Send it to a friend. You never know who might need to hear this today. And drop a comment below telling me your thoughts. Have you ever dealt with mental health stigma? Have you ever felt like you could not talk about your struggles? I want to hear your story. This is a safe space. Remember, you are not alone. You are not weak. You are not a burden. You are worthy of help, of love, of happiness. And no matter how dark things might feel right now, there is always hope. There is always a way forward. Sometimes you just need someone to walk beside you. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. It means the world to me that you are here. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to FitFlow Factory and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next video. Together, we can break the stigma. Together, we can make a difference. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.